to be John. Let's say they try me. They worry you. Because you be my spiritual boyfriend, I make you the misbehave. What is wrong with you? Are you okay? Yeah, to be John. Why would they write this kind of thing for my comment? What did they worry you? To be John, she no get you the craze. You will say I no get direction. Come direct me. No say una they do one thing for this Sabbath space. Una no say una way feel like so una dey inside darkness or una dey fake account or whatever you people represent. I don't give a help. You people know. I don't give a help. Now I go drag me now enter on a saga. Which una no say me I no did there. Why you go to be John? Why you go talk that nonsense? Since what my affair talk. Good afternoon, everyone, my TikTok family. Thank you guys for joining. Please just double tap my screen and subscribe to my channel. You know, not just all about saga, like as I always say. Now we just come, like now, just come now. You just throw one word now. People who want to follow you, drag me now. Don't they comment like Atuari, don't no one or all. Don't just want to follow you. They drag me very you might be like him or she, whatever he or he represents, or he or she, two in one represent. I don't give a help. You understand? But John, I'm really disappointed in you for coming first to write such comments. Since when this their fight happen, since when this their saga starts, how many videos you see me say I don't do? Decide any of them. The only video where I don't do pass when I tell Mama B, say, look, not be now you won't even like they beat Atuari. Forget about this issue. Let go. Because the time I tell you say no go there, you know here. So why you can't expect me now say make I can't join her they fight Atuari or me I join Atuari they fight her. I tell them make everybody leave them, make the two. Make they fight. May we see who go win this fight. You understand me? So and which I stood on. I don't care. And I know it depend you. Now you depend, so I make you I go block you. I know they waste time. I go block you. I go block you. Patak. If you like, you get 1 million fake account. I know they give you help. So anybody will go give me a dick. I go fair give her a dick. Make it go by. No go sign me. So not give me a dick for this platform where you come. I know they do saga. I know they join them. They do saga. I know they fight anybody. You don't see me open this my Facebook now. Call they cause Atuari or call they cause Mama B. No, matter not concern me. They be husband and wife. I only say I say forget this matter because not be knowing you want shout. Why are you shouting? You tell what I tell you say this fight, it go come back again. She don't believe me. When I talk something, they always say come back. So if I made anybody know join Atuari, fight her. You go kill your children for your heart. Come on here. Get out. Because I don't want nonsense. You're crazy, they're mad. I don't know. You don't say until the drag gonna come out for that fake account when before now hide they come down. Now don't say no easy. Yeah, until the drag gonna come out for that fake account. Before that, and when they go sue them, will be like dustbin. When they sue them, I'll be like Ukodolo. When they sue them, I'll be like that rag going to the mud ready for the set fire. When they will see only the hair will go down her head. It will be like sponge. When they take the wash back of pots. Toby, if you want, we are very free to do that. Sorry. Please. Blessed the day, not say not the day of my sins to join the right. Cause the right carry me come at the right. I beg do it quick. Yeah? No, they bother me. Chon, no, they bother me. No matter, no, they bother me again. And the truth. They bother me, I go just come. Hey, you want to go leak the danger. You don't know what you carry come. You don't know what you want to talk about that matter. You don't know what you carry come. You never even listen. You just come breathe. You want to go the leak the danger. Which of the danger I want to go leak? Who be the day and where the nyash? Always the light of the belittle human being. I know why hear those. See, as you they come. Wait till me don't talk now when you come meet because I dey play music when you come. Wait till me they talk when you come meet. Wait till me the talk. You hear me say I write topic, message to Monica or message to Bitches of Micah? No. So wait till be my topic. To be me, they ask you now, what was my topic today? So help me deliver the message so that people go understand what was my topic. You see, this how you people involve people unnecessarily. You know, please guys, double tap my screen for me, I beg. I want to send people, you know, send me through. You understand? I just come from work. I don't want to sleep. If you see my hand, I will not say sleep then my hand because I quit wake up. Person wake up 3:30, go work. Do double shift. They come as I supposed to just go bed, go sleep. But if you are asleep now, which I go sleep for that. So I just want to use this when quick chip in for waiting in the ground. Waiting for Kosami their matter. Don't be say no Kosami because anybody will say they don't talk for matter where they ground. Now be say for doing for his house. As far as about space is concerned, we are all entitled to our opinion. So that is it to be joined. Please don't create chaos. Don't create what is not happening here. So people don't join you to like I don't know what adjective to use. Please, just it's okay already. Thank you so much. Just got the number one. Thank you. Please double tap my screen for me. Please share. So like what I wrote there is all in one basket. So it gets so many people scared. They are afraid. They don't know what you want to talk. They don't say if me call like this like bass boost now they give. But one of those I don't get that strength because they just come me just now from Nigeria. Say somebody where I know don't buy. So you know. And the thing shocked me well, so I'm never supposed to utilize me, but I just want to relax and quick chip in for waiting their grant. And even if it's even concern these people, what I go see tell them is either they continue their fight, or they rest for the fight, or they do whatever they want to do, satisfy their conscience. When they are okay, Monica, don't beat me for this social media. Me don't beat her. He beats me and beat her. We balance equal rights. Everybody go a pathway. Isn't it? Yeah? Then, even when Monica they insult me, Mama B was also there with her. Calling her my wife. Although she begged me, I rest because the best way I also like on my own. So if I talk to her, she don't agree. Just like me, person talk to me and don't agree. Don't me say that person is my enemy. Like lovely now. Sometimes you get what you gonna do, I will call her, I will tell her, say, stop this. You should not stop. I will leave her because our opinion, our platform should there. Yes, I don't go stay there, watch, comment, I will come out there. Maybe she the saga person where I did close to. I tell her, say, rest, she don't rest, I'll come out there. So that's what she still be. Maybe I did talk to person where they close to her. She don't agree watch. She go see come out. That will not mean say me and she not go be friends. We go just only day our day. Everybody go, we go to manage ourselves, they go. You understand? Now I make me, that's the kind of people business. I make me live down where they Canada. When they insult my family, they insult my, I say, come. You said me that your godmother, may God forbid, I can never use such people to as a goddaughter. Now you go come out for live scream. You go to insult my own brother. You go to insult my family. You go to call the betrayer family. You gonna call the enemy family. You gonna call the enemy not will not call my brother. Then I can't go sit down there. The mother your mother. I can't do that. I go come out. I go leave you for Joshua. May you dead the Rimaro. May the metabola discala for there. I will come out. So that is it. So like as I earlier said, I bring the English down so that everybody will understand. So, I get one topic where I bring for TikTok yesterday, and I was opportune to be there. So, this is all about, they were asking this very consequential metabola discala question that when I break the table, like everybody was like angry. Why should I say that? And I make them to understand that it's remain the fact. Yeah. Say why some men they walk, they sit down for house. I say, okay, I can't tell them my whole point of view. All the women when they charge, they make her discolor me. Now say, hey, because I know they like truth. Then they say, why men they abandon their children, they wrong bagger. They don't want to take care of their children. Now they ask the children. Now I break the remaining table Lego. Now the women, what did they say? Why me go talk like that? Why they join the men? And I said, because you never pass through this very particular part. When I go give them instant. When I go clear the table, clear the floor, Lord, they call secrecies with me. I make me carry that the same matter. Call my platform today. More cause Catalan for this so that they go the year where. Because as I did that yesterday, they talk this thing go under by stupidity. Now I make the understanding that they useless the men life. So may they not complain. So we are coming there. Then another one, I will be talking about the petition, the ongoing petition. I will come across them all. Obviously, eventually, I will choke my mouth put, you know. I will choke my mouth put, then I will see come out there. Then relationship, when no agree work, we'll see choke mouth. All this I want you choke mouth put small. Then we will come see where the blame, who to blame for this matter. We will see who they will blame. Whether not the women or not the men, may we see who to blame. Please invite, share this video for me. May we see who we go blame. First, and also the missing God, don't not forget that one join this matter. Because they work out for inside the better business market square. Now, of course, it's Eddie Murphy don't they do oracle for. He said na TikTok oracle. The thing come baffle me. I can say, oh, Eddie Murphy. You dey go. And I can't see whether the TikTok, but I don't know whether the video I don't know. Because that shouldn't be on live screening. Just like the guy was doing it on the WhatsApp call. They were screen recording him and they posted it good and fine. Just like as I always talk, say, anybody where it lost, don't be we go tell her as he go take final. Yes. Make it final well. But me, I don't personally tell Eddie Murphy, say, contact me and let me take you to the land of solution. So that they will just tell you, say,
Yes. Hello. Hello.
hello.
It's two of you against me. Why? Why should I take two ladies against me?
Oh, really? Where are you screaming from?
Can I handle two ladies at once? Can I?
Where are you screaming from?
I'm streaming from Aba.
Alright. Musa, where are you screaming from?
In Umaya.
In Umahia, Nigeria.
United States of Aba.
Alright. Accepted. Musa, where are you screaming from now?
I'm on live stream. I'm screaming from Germany, Deutschland.
Oh, my God.
So,
How is Germany today?
fine, thank you.
MC, how is Aba today? How is our Nigeria?
Aba is good. I'm trying to see if I can connect to Alex Goat.
Stop producing something and talking to another countries. No, they can do well.
I'm trying to connect with Alex Goat. I cannot get him on the phone.
Alright.
Please can you bring me down because I'm on live stream.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, you're in live stream.
Okay,
You can exit.
You can easily disconnect it here.
Just do it there,
You can
please.
just tap on it and leave. Say, I want to leave.
Please bring me down.
You get it?
No.
So you see how you send requests. It's like two ribbons tied together.
Yeah.
You see it?
I'm trying to bring it down.
You see where it says host? The two ribbons on the left hand side, on the bottom. Can you see it?
We will try it. Sorry?
Look down on the left side.
Okay.
Look down.
Okay.
Okay, click on those two ribbons.
Two ribbon. The host Nara.
Yeah, it's like hook. They're like this. The host. Click on it. And then on the very top, top right corner, the top, you see something like an arrow. Click on it.
Okay.
And the very top. You're gonna say disconnect. Okay. See you later. So now it's left you and I.
I asked her to bring me down because I'm on live stream. So.
Oh, you are the one that's supposed to go down?
Yeah.
Is it both of you are coming together? I'm Sunday Rita. Why are you?
He did.
Rita did not disconnect. You disconnected yourself.
Oh, really? Wow.
Rita's supposed to do it herself. Rita, click on that ribbon.
Okay, Dad.
Click on the host, Rita. Rita, have you seen that ribbon on the very left hand corner? The bottom. It says host. You see? You will see it. It's going to say host. So on the left hand, like on the bottom, on the left.
Yeah, I know, but I'm seeing it already. I'm just trying to.
Oh, you know how to disconnect?
It's counting.
It's not working?
No.
Can you press it?
What be this one here?
Go yourself. Rita, why you putting your hand in your head? Who did this to us? You are laughing. Yes. Yes, why are you laughing? Yes.
Okay. How do I take this one out now? Watch out, watch out.
You say take it back. They're going to go out together.
While I do it to the bed.
Okay, what? Really? Him don't enter, him don't enter. Huh? You're going to go here today. You're going to go here. Just start time. Just do one. Just do one. It's up? Yes, same that. Just do one. Rita, don't get choice again.
No, I have choice.
Rita, don't get choice again.
Can I go out and come back again?
Yeah,
Can I go out and come back again?
you have to do that too, please. I'm stuck here.
Don't get choice again.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, the guy has gone. It's like a follow seat.
Rita, this is all your fault. Because
It's not my fault, so. It's not my fault, so.
somebody else.
No. It's not my fault.
Okay. No problem.
Yeah.
So Rita, you say you are going, guys. If you are going, click on those ribbon that says host. Click on the very right
Exit.
corner.
Let the music for me.
Disconnect. You see it?
Give me better music. This is my birthday month.
Give me better music. Okay, I got you. But you have to come on this side and throw us one baby lion.
Don't worry.
Okay, no problem. I got you covered. So Rita, did you find it? In it?
Hey, Nick, I couldn't find it.
You couldn't find it?
No.
Why you couldn't find it?
I only see Cole Austin, MC Star, Norse.
Phone right now, right? On your phone. Look at me, Rita. Look at me. See, this is your phone, right? Look on the very left hand corner. The very left hand corner.
I'll click it. Host.
No, don't click. Don't click. You will see a ribbon. 2 ribbons.
I know.
Click on it. What did it bring up? It's gonna be like white, right?
Yeah, it doesn't. It only say Cole Austin.
Look on the very right hand corner. The top.
Yeah.
You will see like a little arrow.
Yeah.
Click on the arrow. You will see disconnect.
Yeah. What's it? Yo, I don't want J. Yeah, we are silly, man. You may worry. Abba, God so dank. He said to me, I be saying content that they use do because who he got lost go report for police or course put okay. And he said, as a mama, this saga must collect I greet you as a mama for a reason. Yes, now you can say that again. You understand me, guys? So let's go there. Let's go there. Please share, and invite others. You know, initially I did say this, they are whatever now, joking matter. If they use and do content finish, they go rest. But the way they go now, me they look at like as embarrassment. Person just pull himself down, you know. Person they pull himself down. They carry your dignity for lake and for everywhere. Where be say at the end of the day, people they respect you, they not going to respect you again. Then it's a shame for me. Oh, me I know side and I know the thing they embarrass me. So I will play that video for now. Yes, I'm not gonna see. So if they go carry that guy come out now, so yeah, what is saying don't I want to show you something. You see, my own know they had. Me I plan for I'm gonna listen. I go show myself. Say German police, these two people steal my wife goods in Germany. Power and Abiwa. You see, this thing you are doing, you are implicating yourself. That is you. If it's a lie, if allegedly said they did not take your gold, do you know that you can be sued for this? You let the police do their job. Let the police do their job. And the most you know the listing. Let the police do their job. These two people store allegedly they are suspects. Okay, even if they are suspects, castigating their name all over cyberspace is not also going to help. It's not going to help. You let the police do their job. They do their job. Oh.
Don't worry,
prompts. If you go the meme, Mona wait so. Because I bet they don't go delete them. Let's say they don't go delete them quick. No. Why don't delete them? That one.
And when I do my own way, what have you good?
I don't go delete them.
Why again? When have you good ready? That's your boy. When have you got meme? When it can remove you, but one like the video.
They've deleted it. I wanted to show you guys that video, and I hope bloggers have.
Power, I know who they got. We want a general who they fish. Power man at Bewan Sona. Woman at Bewan Sona, if you go to them.
Epa.
Don't worry, Tapa.
There is somebody who just passed away now, yesterday morning. They just called me in Nigeria and said, this person don't go. I shout, I say, God. That's what the thing just the easy, you know, to you understand that the movie. You try by all means. If you are creating content, don't use this people to create content, because when you say a God where we you've already come out to say God where is missing. Yeah? Let the police do their job. Or tier boy will get money. That one where that Oracle TikTok Oracle can do for you today. You won't just put that person for problem. I believe say the guy see the thing, maybe he got called on American and go the what I call delete the something. Me I saw that blogger, don't quit blogger carry him. I don't want blogger where they quit the do approach like that. Me I see whether the blogger don't carry him. If you carry him, I will play him. And if that way they follow, if you never carry that, you know good. Oh, try.
7 years. I'm
oh, if blogger never carry that, he go pay me. And I be one just cut that video that time while I did work. I know you'll get time. It shouldn't be this one again. Not really long. I not did that one. Man, not put pigeon on a saga. I just use the bed. I don't want saga. I don't like. I don't want. Person do me something, I'll do one back. Finito. Puto basta. Ah, child, this one pay me. Oh. Chai. Next time, if I say you do, hey, anyway, shall I walk, I walk, cause this one for my body. Ah, for quickly capitalize that video. Wait a minute, check. Just check this mumu, whether this mumu, because now they could carry their video. They share up and down. They help them. Why do we matter? Kill. That video pay me or lie. Oh, wonder they say you not go ahead. Anyway, if I say I'm again, I will come play that video. But I believe say they don't delete the video, but it's okay. They don't delete that video. It's okay, no problem.
Well. Eddie Murphy, this message now for you. God's power don't deliver the message where you define since all those days. So it don't finally come aside and deliver it to you. So my people, for those of you who never see this video, I can for now, JJJ, we gonna still listen to her. Waiting God's power talk. God's power say, if Eddie Murphy no dey fear, if you do the video, he go tell and say, so tomorrow, for example, he go do the video today, say, tomorrow, come jam me for so place. He go meet him for there. He said, because the video when he there for area, he say no they are saying they walk. He no be person wey no dey work. Say be strong man in the work. Yes, in the work. If you see her now work na it dey. So finally, Eddie Murphy will dey wait for your reply because you dey talk to all those days say you dey for a city, make it come outside, Now, God's power don't come reply you. May you come outside or mukuna. He don't tell her the thing wey be say he will make am take relax as you think. Eddie Murphy. As a message, for me, my own advice to Eddie Murphy, before God's power go start to go to trauma to you, don't finally come aside. God's power just respect the mother when he for those of you who never seen Eddie Murphy video. So Eddie Murphy he said Eddie Murphy not like her like that. So for my advice to God's power say Eddie Murphy, if Eddie Murphy no dey fear, quit come out for the insult the woman. Because you don't do the video, you go tell and say, so tomorrow, for example, you do the video today, say, tomorrow, come jam me for so place. He go meet her for there. He said, because the video when he there for area, he say no they are saying they walk. He no be person wey no dey walk. Say be strong man in the walk. Yes, in the walk.
Nah, be the fine bloggers who don't carry me.
So finally,
this one they could record their video too. I don't want to carry that one.
So those days I say you there for a city, make it come outside. Now, God's power don't come reply you. May you come outside or mukuna come talk mukuna come as you think I reach. For me, my own advice to Eddie Murphy, before God's power go start to go to trauma, to his own mama. Since God's power just dey respect him, respect the mother when he born his own mama, born Eddie Murphy mama. So Eddie Murphy no, he say Eddie Murphy no like her like that. So for my advice to Eddie Murphy, make it just quick up, make just quit come out for the insult where they insult the woman, because he don't know where they drag the woman and his son they go. Now Germany deal on a day. Make una go Ogbalegbe side. Una go and report him to Ogbalegbe. Make Ogbalegbe investigate for inside this matter. And so me share for inside. My people, make I leave una listen to the video. Waiting God's power talk. Make una be like the video, share and follow this page, so that anytime I drop video, una go receive it and press the notification bell. Anytime I drop a video,
if
una
they
go receive it quick. Bye for now.
Already.
How you they call the big house? How they call big house? You are very stupid. The movie are very stupid.
I know
there yesterday because everybody get what they do now. Yesterday was a Sunday and they relax. Now you go work. You call big house. What's the big house one before you? As you don't use the Bible now, you say you don't use Bible, say now my enemy like thief.
Hey, that Bible they talk your stuff.
Go to the way you talk about. Go to the German authority. Go to the police. Go there.
What did they say that Bible talk and say that?
I don't confirm and say that these two people teach like me and go arrest them. What did they make you they cry? Sign not there again for children. Not there. When hey amigo, when we till like was now what we are see responsible guy I don't even they go work. I don't go work. Now work I work outside now I did go so. We are one I did mama. You are inside house. Now my task when I did pay, I did a video. I can even bet. Because you not work, you know they work. You go to Amadi go ready girl when I pay the money where you right you know they eat. Man, let's me win and see how they go work. I want to go work, come back, person will come meet you, come the shop. Hey, they call the big house. Hey, they got your blood lost. Go to the German authority, go to the police station, go report, say, call my name, call the woman where you accuse. Tell them, say, now those two people come to you. You will start out from there. They will start at the go courts. Whether you know go pay them for because you don't even get, you are a nuisance with this stuff. You not get nowhere. Since I has one room there, they shout, hey, they call big house, hey, I got you they call you another, but you are very stupid. You say my tell you where I did, yes, I'm not there. I don't know why you think they talk those things, because not everybody they sit down for media now. I'm not there, I never they list, somebody never updating say see what you talk. You may take it, you may take what do I mean. I don't understand. My call where I play, me you come meet me. You know go try and you know say that match today. I'm actually get to media. My tell you where me tell you come meet me at movie. Your brothers now, your sister, your brothers now, they never see what you media. Say you don't craze for media. They never see you, they call. I never call your mother. See if you push me. Not be say they train me. I know they insult somebody's mother. If you push me, if I start to insult your mother, you also we should put your baby honorable Dennis Idahosa. If I bring your mother pictures out, if I start, you go run home. No one push on my head, okay, no, I never do this thing before. If you push me at the movie, if you push my open platform for your head, if I open now, you will run for this saga when I say it too. You will run. You understand? I'm a street guy. If I open up for your head, at the movie you will run. This one I always say you get, I'll get billions for now. You will run. Mama, I can never start to insult you. If I start, if you push me, if I yaga, it's okay. If I yaga your mother, your other brother when you would day, if we are more. If I yaga, if I drag for ground, for this media, if I drag ground for ground, as you see me so, I like enjoyment. If you see my phone, if you see invitation where they my phone, if I do cry, people they ever embrace me, they love me. It bubble, because they give you years, and the movie you don't reach. And they give you years. Since when I even deal with you that time, people they even call me say, why they move with all this? Why don't you have to stop you people out where we're going now? God was in the mama. And the movie you don't turn there, how you did get it's okay. Not be your friend when they friend. See, if I bring who are a story, say me, I understand it my palm. If I begin a release day, go on boy the movie. I meet if you're good, go to German down, go tell the police, say, see who stiff you're good. Make a bring letter come. You don't know where I did. We have me there and where you there, not reach by 15 minutes. You don't even reach 10 minutes drive. Now I say you they come the bad do everything. Do video. But I got the video now. You want to take on me. I don't date that time. I don't even see her. Me take the measure. Where do I mean? I beg the movie that man today who I want with media. They get mad for social media. They just get mad. Why you want to die for this good matter now? Because you don't see money again. Person they lose the life because of one. You just go like that. Everything when you get, you just go. You want to die, kill yourself for good. Go sue. Okay, the movie. Why you never see go sweat today? In a friend where person wants to when you go there. Why you here with me where they cannot tell about here. What if we're born in a better movie? You go the company say, oh Bible, now this one done me. It's not truth they talk. You understand? That is not lie. But we are still okay now. You don't even confirm and I will through that Bible now. Go to the station now. Go and tell them say you don't confirm. That's stupid. You know where Nigeria. If you are even accuse me waiting and not do, I will sue you. If you don't feel pay, government will pay. Here for how many years now? I never want this to eat government money. You are crazy anymore. When you enter Europe, your elder brother and help you. I tell where your mama when they sleep, say you sleep. Now you use your mouth talk and say you sleep. Your elder brother wife, what your wife? You fuck her, you are very, very stupid. Look at your wife. You know it's okay. You don't even get father. I don't want to call the honorable man, the man. If I know position when he there for balance, man need to hear you because that one don't even put the sun. I say they put any of it. Yeah, change where I'm going. Yeah, this is true. Why you are used. Your mother is okay. Your mother is very stupid. Man, I use that stupid. How can a daughter will come out from media? They insult person when you say now you born her for honor here, but you as a mother don't stop and say you even start the support when they send you go upper market, send you go this, you go the share. You have to turn around if you all do whatever you are very stupid. If I start out, your other brother and I never even am I cool because they don't know if you talk to if I start, you was you to you know me say me. And now when I hear web post it and the movie are stupid, not beside the other country now. Not saying that because I hate Italy. Now because Italy France, I'll meet you. I did Deutschland, I did Germany. So you did brand for media yesterday. You want to come meet me? Might give you my direction where I did. You want to come meet me? Me? No. I you will come meet me. You know the apple now. You will come on for your house. You want to come meet me? I did nothing. Go find your gold. If your gold lost, I don't know whether I lost, whether I not lost. Now you know that you did cry. Cry, because you know, to serve for picking game, you know, get. You know, they don't want to give you. You know, because all those money where they collect, money where they collect for this ladies' hand, last time, you want to do this, you don't finish. Because no road they gave for you. That make you want your die, kill yourself. I go swear for Nigeria. I don't go swear, you reach there. You go where the one, you go use police arrest them. The native doctor even asks you question, say, go to any the man when I'm winning a bonus here where the man do a go to moon here, but my and the monkey, no place where you want to go as from which or top. A video where I work up for a balance, no place where you want to go where they're not go driving. Everybody will reject you. We are not back. No, I can be this Deutschland. I don't even tell anybody where they invite me for any party. If you are invited the most, man, I don't invite you. I don't want to get the most today. That useless man who accuse your brothers, nobody. Okay, tell me who don't get close to you when you never pull life for your head. If you pull life for your head, nobody when don't come close to you when you never insult you, not day. Go see people now when you first talk. And then she told you, if I go be that, all of us eat. You see you now they shout. You don't want place now they shout. Shout for inside that room where government in one room. See, I don't even big pass. You take one room and the parlor. You dey shout for one room and the parlor where you get many children, all of them come pay the power. Why you not see if you know say you too old, you get money, apartment stay. They say if you get 3 children, if you get children, boy and girl, if you keep them for inside one room, you dey one place. You get when the child they grow rich, you go carry big house. The girl and the boy supposed get different rooms.
Yes,
yes. How many rooms in your house? How many children you get? Don't pay the power. They shout. They crazy. When you go, you never see money before that make you dey cry. Now you call big house. How you they call palace? Why you not go the palace as you did Nigeria for how many months where you spend? Go that palace, say, hey, why don't you myself want to one another? You reach Europe to a one who are telling you. Yeah, many winner. Obey where I go, why you want to know how go to a song, where I found one where. Hey, Germano, you cannot stay in another country now. Not be German where they will assist the money. Go Italy, go Spain. Not go work. Oh, yeah, when they donate money to buy tickets go Nigeria, they crazy. So they bring picture, go they say, hey, if I were, I never steal for my life. I will not fish the starter. So my amigo there, I do for you with you. They sign the phone in. You can sign your money. When I'm gonna pay your lights. The day house then I government they pay your lights, pay everything for you. Your day house. It's okay, no mama. My winner, the other department. Hey, a boy, I am wearing. Once, one, Nina, my boy, and Bema, and me, women in the web bay. My young mother, when nobody is no man, not the ticket in this. Buy ticket for another. And if you a more vacancy, if you more they can area, you wear one. You make a travel better, Jimmy. One salwa. And you move in on mama. We are making an argument. Why are we going to do one? But let my feet before you are. If you push me, enter this media. Now only you are. Not anybody want it. You are me. Yeah, keep laughing. Here you are. I don't know how to do that. Why you only do my team dance, enter media, do my team. They crazy. And then Nigeria, experiment you. They shout. I don't ever come out. I now report the area command. Now they now report where you because now they don't go when I say, made a return to try the hotel returner. But you know, says that somebody thief. I don't swear we don't go every day.
That part, I don't just understand that part. Where they don't go swear, and the Murphy can't go there, say, me they return juju. Why you go say, me they return juju? Why was the one when you return juju? No, you swear, no, I that command. But when you go to where we, that one at one point, why was your juju return? Why did you return your juju? Why? Auto what? Auto say in it. Why did you return the juju? If you don't say yes, they swear. You accuse them. Power God swear. In mama only picking for her. Now because say mama Abi were not there alive again. I say she's still there alive. This is what I heard for your way. I heard for your way. When I heard call time when the office is then where you be moki you want me. Next you put not be you want me now. Uwe la lie. Ovi onku me bunye kwe. Orwa wejo ovi onku. How can we accuse of money ya mwe bok bisho? Why if your police if you are in Nigeria when you van a dog pony when I ask when you're not glistening? Why? Then we ma gele we. The most we ma will la for national peace to reign. For national peace to reign, why? You can't want with any matter with content. Don't use this God issue for content. Don't use it as a content. You have summoned these innocent people and they went to take the national. I assume money according to the Benin traditional law and custom. According to Benin traditional law and custom, when you are being accused, even the police, they knows it. When you are being even the traditional rulers, our Benin monarch, they knows it. They are recognized. Where if you drag somebody there, you are about to take an oath. Just like when you are in the court of law, they will tell you, are you a Christian? Are you a pagan? Are you a Muslim? Please say this after me. They will still take you through the direction of an oath. The evidence I shall give on this case shall be the truth. Nothing but the truth. So help me God. Are you a Quran man? They will still bring their Quran comment. You will still swear by Quran. Are you a pagan? They will still say you are swear by the pagan where you be. I'm aware. You will teach your loss. Person when you accuse now. Don't go swear. Say if he no one, no two, he swear for himself. But if he don't know you accuse him wrongly, he swear for you. Now you go carry, maybe mama gospel, I will don't call that part. When I did what I said, I hear the shut, I say, God. That TikTok oracle, you are in trouble. You are in big shit. When they come, I believe say, they don't go tell the one, say, they record you. Now the one come, they say, now they quickly go bring that video down. How can you? Which Bible did tell you say that this person thief? TikTok oracle. Which Bible? We go drag you for this social media. Your mind go there. You, TikTok oracle. I go your TikTok handle now. Go bring your picture, come here. Come give you better saga for the next 301 years. You go hear words. And you must confirm, man. You go drag them for us. You must confirm, man. And we go use police arrest you. Jonah. We go sue you. We will sue you, and you will pay for damages without your Bible. You must pay, you must go in for it. It's a false accusation. So that your Bible need to be destroyed. That will not be Bible of God. Since only they use Bible of God, they fire Ooo thief. Juju, what they know they fear. They fear Bible. You don't see any people that they fear Jesus Christ. When you drag the rich juju, you go see everybody go they run because I know say the juju na devil, you don't get pity. If you want your by you no, they look back. No, they say go wear shoe, go wear butter. No, instantly go collect you, go say yeah follow. You don't go seize your property, and go throw away for the shura. Yeah. I bet you go swear to deny. To prove their innocence, then you go cancel it. Why? Now you swear. I don't understand. Don't listen.
I see shut in the media. Why you not go swear? Go carry your duty. Go swear. You see that?
And it baffled me. Said till now, the Murphy never see go swear for that God we miss. And the Murphy you got to go swear for the missing God. Why are you delaying? We have given you the authority. We have given you everything. We have given you the support. When you have my bug but not you were gods. My bug but I don't care. Hono jene. Hono era go do if you hono we money be do a god if you. My bug but hono we many vieri yo. Or do a god if you. My bug be me. Cause era yo maru. Yeah? When I am my bug, but you go and swear. Swear if I am the one, swear. If the my children call their God, thief your God, swear for them. If the my mama were born me, swear for her. So far, swear because the man what they did the purpose the enemy. Swear for anybody who is responsible for your missing God. Swear. I don't know why they use this God matter to they disturb the peace of this community. Go and swear. Swear for it. Swear so that everybody go get peace. When you go relax, they wait. If the police station, you know, see what they fight them. Since you don't confirm nothing that they, oh yeah, use police carry them. Oh yeah, we are waiting. Use police, they carry them. Accused woman say make you go swear. May you go swear your own. I don't do my way, don't do. May you go swear your own. If you know that now there's two people 90 people, go swear. If you know that the two of the 90 people, go swear. Even a power Bible rule, me power rule. If you say no laugh, I go you laugh. If na him, power roll. Otekwele, if na him, power roll. No be babo roll, power roll. Baby wa roll, not bar roll. Everybody go there roll. If na Ivie Eriyo, you don't. You for still mention my name, Jonah. The Bible for still roll. Why you not mention my name? Make the Bible roll. The more you just, I don't know what I want to tell you, Sha.
You are very poor people, poor person that they made like this.
I don't know what Dennis said. If you're a man who will pass through, Dennis will give you one location for Benin, or they carry you go Lagos, follow Shahid Brew.
All I want, I worry. I actually take with the love. You know, see money getting by one. If they pull up for your younger brother, the deputy governor, say he will come give you money. You know, will give you because
thank you, mommy boys. Thank you so much.
I'm very stupid. See the better way to that way. But mommy, I give you on the yes, you know, you are crazy. You want drop that guy, follow ground down. If we start, if we start, if I open this thing for you, you will run. If I open up for your head, if I start this media with you, you say another get time. I mean, they would call enter Frank, call enter Mr. Ike platform. I don't want to do it because people every time you say, man, I don't follow you, shall talk. You're a very stupid man. If you're not stupid, see you now. Why you could weather when I do a young view? They call me from media say, you are very stupid, you are a thief, you are a criminal. If you know the money there now, go work now, buy the gold now. You know if you go buy again, they cry. If they even shout, you want to put another person where not they want to put her over inside. You are crazy. They can't say they can hear the way. And you want to meet me where I did. You want me to meet me where I did. You're talking way afternoon. If I close your work, you'll do that life again where I hear. I'll do video where I did. You want to meet me? Eddie Murphy.
Not possible.
You never know.
Eddie, may I advise you? This is Deutschland. Yeah? And you know, say you don't get right to go make God's power anywhere where they. Person where they walk. Hey, you know what you want to put yourself? What you want to put yourself? The matter where police they already. You won't go to follow the person they fight. You won't go block campaigns where they work, they pay tax for this country. Not do a more. Not do a more. We just they advise you. Not do a more. Hey, not try a more. Hey, we go tell you, mommy, see you.
You never know, Misha.
That's what you got to that is you.
These are the candidates. Thank God you don't put up for media. I don't save her. Now you didn't look for me. Because I don't look for me. Your God lost. Go swear good. Now you didn't look for me. Say you want to look for me. Thank God now I don't think. If it happen, police can't come. Now I play that video. Because you look for me, I not look for you. I now even define you. Now you know. If your God lost, go to the station and tell the police, this was a thief, you're good. Eddie Murphy, people don't do this look. You are very stupid. If you even threaten child, if police hear say you threaten, they will hold that case strong.
Yeah.
So now say person, you say person put gun for your pikin head. Police hear that one, police still leave her.
Yeah.
See the way they lie, you way they do video, they do everything.
Now maybe they talk on that day when they say they put this thing for the pikin head. But another pikin don't go their house. He go there traumatized. Eh? Police don't leave her for us, so. So they really do this thing for the picky head. Police not gonna leave her for us for Deutschland though. He go there another place, they go there check, they go there question her. Their house, which house he want day for Deutschland. Person where they put us to see for your head. My head bunny Deutschland, but you soon walk here.
Why you not video? Why you not put some record? They say police was in your house. But you tell police say somebody tie your picking for crowd. That will not be criminal. Why do I go in media? Talk yourself. Wait, mom. That brother is still driving bus. What are you doing? Stupid man. You don't know how you take by your car. You know how many years you don't work? How much are they paying for job center? 400 something here. And now you want to take a month. How do you go your account? You don't even get a bank account. You don't even get you don't get accounts now. You don't get accounts. Not be useless wife is okay. You see the sparkers waiting in your place. You are very stupid. You know how many times I don't carry on and I go to, if I even carry on and come out, yeah, so can they can't even want you Ya di go de 20 euro and die 40 euro. Why you know I have fear mo why you. Masa wa salo a di fi. Ako wa so so sami no go were. If you're good lost, go government, go tell the police, go the authorities, suit if you're good. If not you go swear. I swear none of the crime. Yes, my road is Babana. If I start your see, you know, say that they get viewer. If I come out from if I come out from the viewer when you I'm not gonna repeat one thing 2 times. If I bring your mother come from media, if I follow your mother for media here, your mother will not below cut in no use how many colors. If I use with proof comments with your mother, it's okay. And because your brother they look since you know if I start time, my people see go the shame.
Oh,
they never see me talk to you since it's when they insult my mom. I never to talk because the person they push me to it. Oh, but you might be more in a way because I don't like Igua sorry.
Go get to no gospel lao. I cannot stop you because you people have tried. Anybody who buy the wagga a make the dere na jena. And then I just bet the make. A make a queer agree what do we matie. Tiamega no make a waggy manuel. Yes, I tell you, video here leak is one again. Or a make him happy or beg him. Or happy with me. But what they thought he rape because he said you because he where a video here with video all said do. A make a agree. Social media no donor. I'm telling you. Ugbo Davi or the Agbe Makeri, when a making a family or get like Matana de Cosane Make. And it's no wow. Don't know if you woman who vision, a man with dragision. Okay, it's all on you. You know, I feel like West Rich, what about West Swamp? We are what will you say about Sakaga? Oh, we will Sagana. Because he's Jenny, I couldn't your body kind. My man, not what be or no value je bijere woman value jouer wa bijera do bijouer yes so me ya te gbe agbiji me wo e must to bijouer o ko ni jouer ni nevi e na ma ni e de wa gbon ti gbe so for the one e we just jouer na ri bijouer ije na gi o igbe without no remorse we ka to gbiji me woni e bijouer ai jouer e doni. They not represent. Il jouait. Il calait jouer quoi? Non, what don't you what you know can you mammy il calait quoi? I calait to the daki doc I calait especially because of mammy give vow pitch him my bag vow my tongue but all oh, man, no one, why, what did you like? I don't want to see it, don't I see a bit, madam, and about with you, Kuyo. And I said, I'm Vaho in Joe, and I knew it, and that's one way how you weigh social media and soon. What the hell? What a social media and soon. So don't go there, no go play. What you do, what face the gospel, what face it? Maybe Jen, what don't you know what you worry? It's our time, let's call a spade, you know, we can at you, what's your day. Because I couldn't go in Matwa. Me saga. Wa drag me like saga me go wa kiss me make it have the pressure me we are making unari. Igi wa we love ye. Do ni have be yeah what about me say you go make your move. Agwa gbugwa because o go ya go man ve. Me gwa jo go man ve. Ya wa si la de mo te do gbe kare ya pe pule da sisi le lotso. Wa go me siyan le lotso dele. Signale l'automne, avec un envoi, signale l'automne, il y a un jour, yes, so what do you walk on daily basis? Or whether we are Jimuna, we not get that only location, why are you? Or somebody give you that boy, not on the viewer, but not on a walker man on the location, why I bet? Eh? What you when I Timothy? What soon? Bosu nu wanja de nujari na ni homo na hebe social media unde goti ude mi na ga na su go u pangolo ni soke ehia Ukpangolo di soke ekian soke me gods. Ikpangolo soke me gods. That one go do ya tie boy on the kedere di. What is depriving not cause? That one white bebe do wari la je. Where ya mu utesan. That do ya gwa hawe orion ba wuki o agi kodu la ya gwa o ha kodu tie baba. Take your juju to somewhere else. Take it to Saba. Then we all know it. Take it to Worry. Then we all know it. Take it to Ilaje. Then we all know it. Take it to Cameroon. Take it to Cotonou. Take it to any part there. Take it to Yoruba. Then we all know it. And then we should take it to Shango. Shangota. Take it to Sango. Sango. Then we God of Thunder. Our tiejo is on an awful hotel. Ugukwe. So come on, I'm going for what now? Oh, I'm on with your king. I'm on with two way. Ube yore iye gbowe sa. Iye gbowe sa we undi bi na gume gbowe so na mo gboja sun. Gume ya tie boy we no give you go to the bogbe. No nothing go to the bogbe. We am bogbe money ma odo money wu. Ma odo no fit go to where wu. Oga gospel wa vie ma no you no ka no wu. Oga bi wa vie ma no you no ka we wu bai. We are table. We are table near when my body make up with the way where you go in many where they go to no I table you go to where the missing treasure. Where oh I table I table a police money when you are saying but forward not to say any. Is that true? Murphy beg or turn up here or Dion or by view for my beggar you know I am wasn't I me oh. What was the word in the family? No was a ya. We jouer with two. On a year governor. Who will demolish a reputation or a denko? Jouer. What do demolition? The social media now. Who will get a Ronald demolish way? Who will get demolition for? Even though the boy of me banner where the banner governor. Because you want to point finger at those people, you want to make sure when you drag them, so that a governor who was here, a dead colleague doesn't have time. Was making a media, governor who will leo you put up bail, ya pente, ah, the Murphy is hard time will stop it already. La wa, et Murphy la wa, et Murphy la wa, when I tell myself la wa, et Murphy anova je la wa, imale la wa, last week when we had la brave, when we are la wa, il va aller pour qu'on bera, il est yagbera. Kiki arieko, on va ni wala, ou la wa.
We've ended your because anything we enter this media, not the comment. Now even be they relax, they look. You only one. If I start, it's okay if I start. And the mom and that brother out I never talked to her now. They insult my mom since if I follow your mother come out. Like your mother and I born the deputy governor for Edo State. If I follow them, if I start to follow everybody for this media, I'm not gonna run. I see they don't run. When I was here, I would tire and I would run and say, this person, when I get here, I'm not going to. If I start now, if I open platform, this is this follower where I said I get, if I drag me enter this media, I will run. Why are we going?
Please share this video. Don't stop my screen.
As I don't insult my mom, I don't even say now, that's okay. You watch a bunny, you watch a bunny on one seven. I didn't want to insult you because now you insult them and I make me insult you. Your God loves final.
What did the mommy?
As you don't do that Bible now, say Bible say, now me and this lady go to the German and go tell them say, yes, you confirm her now. Say now these people read different. Start to go court.
That boy, me go fight that boy.
Believe on your heart, mind now.
Me go fight that boy. TikTok oracle. The kind saga where I go saga that boy. I go carry mama, carry papa. If you get you, I go carry her. If me I walk here, area wa munia. Ya was way muje, imorai, imotune, imo family ado gbinya. Igele do gbinya goze of your do. I bat it bo. can ya be on at a saga. Imagine a body with saga there. Because a Bible tongue, power tongue, not but tongue. Wama so ni wa e ba no do wa ga de tere ne ba boy with tongue. You know what ye nena no ya tongue your tori. So please. Thank you, mommy. You know what ye nena no ya tongue ne Bible. E Bible mami no ya tike no vie. We show Bible ni. Agbe no mo diri Bible la ja. Agbe ne I police station ma go le sitting on jail. Donisha I make sure what Donisha to FBI. Where right now give me bonata or make sure you terrain where you are doing it. So my own Bible already my Bible already caught. The Bible no do ya carry cutty. O wag sunujo, o mana sunujo, I say Bible ni ai. Because if a Bible, I'm not a cut way. I take this oath with this Bible, will say whatever evidence I'm going to say shall be used against me. But the truth, but nothing but the truth. Mera Bible, ke Bible ton, power ton, be what ton, Ivie ton, not but ton, ye gospel what ton, my other ton, we Bible. The mofi la wa soken where you let the mofi wa gbe wane e ba no na let the mofi o range wa sie gboane where I will not fail to tell you my sister you be gonna gbele grandma no gbegbe you tell me where I am go to where we are tie bojo ra we adinari kotonu na agwalo to yin wa sunu yin we come money we o ikane o we come we kile godini la I find out the answer. Everything could lie. Umare $5,000 can no way. I will not give me 200,000 million euro. Ya the go to me a saving of your god digit and no boy quick. I said it be a Deutschland in a raw 10,000 euro, 5,000 euro. You have fine, you are saving your back. And I have a picture of what from your cover. I have David Weber. O kono ye picture ni we na ya bia gbe wo wa ye hwie o me gbe no ba aya hwie we ani me god no ri mi na ga go why did they save you go I mean one of your boko when anybody no he do original god ne go and order for save ya bunya ri kana we save he said that you fear your tongue ekelawe oh you fear ye gbeke wo gba we kin wo ni afia ye wa o wa save our maintain I mean agwa ma shegbe I mean go diru weba e trejo anything no bere ye wa I mean de reva what you ye fear ye kaga wa we chef na you ya ga ya go egineva I dey save reva me na ga na su go anybody no me go wa go do ya fear saving anyway so what you fear saving why are they go he wa go pani amuji ore wa ye na ge le wa ye na ge tape mena ona wa ro yo mena na ni go ya do o we the complete cake the set away 5,000 you na bo yan gbo ona e godi we are set it don no wa e god go no crack don na yan uno skin on na yan we ona pa e god don say like 50,000 euro ona pa na wa e god boy 50,000 euro 100,000 euro na pa na wa real pure gold. And I was say 100,000 euro. They will not pay you. No, pay you. You know, you will pay that. We make 5,000 euro. You do now. Now, why go money my return sister? Good plated. You know, you fear you make good. Napoli good. You know, why? You go ni. Why I don't turn for a boy? I will good. Oh, you ready? Ni my dad 1962. My yellow. My mother dead. My head over the man in Macame no better. Oh, he go re. Oh, maybe to I will let us upon a lad and we are dead. When I wrote, what can work and go di? Why you? Unuk boy are here investments ya walk while you that delegate. Why you? I love this part. I love its power. I love this. Stood up for yourself. Stood up for yourself and stood up for your mother. Ijo I made you human. Ijo I made you human. Not bad, but when you make sure to be Nijo man. ye kukete no ya na jwa we je ya ti ebone do ba kan na gbiju we are not aware what my mama have done what my mama have do the we kete won agbina ya se wo bina mere no toy sa give the come no ba. So anybody henceforth we are when in social media or kagbe henceforth anybody not like the social ni jouer the social media na la jano jane and why jano film the video fi go do ba we tie boni jamani yes now ebode awa gbije last ka check up ebode na e so here is a reki we wa mi me wo gwan agbe me for na wa de ko gbe stay siadi you know got to Epa domo me ga viwe na wa wa mi me wa agbe me Nigeria me ware Nigeria 2 good months ina wa lo yo lo re de ke oba na he la ma weki wa ma se ti do gbe me wa ma se to ye police ya mo me ona wa se mi e ina wa ko ina wa we de gbe na je base a bona vegui ye tamwo wa ti bata awe e bona vegui we bona gwe ya vegui oye na ni khani no we re Canada gwe mana boli meje court u ga he gwe mati court na wa to be we to atindi u fie o to bo appoint di we ke na ya view wolele. I'm asked for you think I will forgive. I will never forgive you titi la gwe mana boli meje court ni rene ni ma we have your boy bo we me no won me no pause ye wa pause na wo kenegbe maybe tika mo we oni ka mo bogbo mi a mo bogbo gwene mi a polugwe se dakido komine mi a rather we hopeless ne mi a rather we to in fact mi a gre boss bobo wene aya sin atamara I forgot to chuku you for your oni sa woni ya gbelogolele igbelogole to jodi so mo ya sole wori mo gbo my people, if you don't forgive, God will not, you want to be a preacher? You can never be forgiven. Never. Me tabana mo boste bobo and me no money vier your boste. Ita Charlotte ninu yaki edoni. Iwe taki an boste agworewa. What the bet now? Where you what that figure joui? Oh so egbe. Una do yo gbe ajui almost sugbagbe but wa ke do yo gbe ajui nenia wa we take sugbagbe ya we be avia property he ne ye do de property we boy ready ku gbodu pon wa ki pa power radio ma we gbe ya ke ade lo we ma ti we de better government na ire beg pe no ma omo
you don't believe that these two people like if you're good which is the wait police station dey near you there for both. Go there, go to the police station, say, this is the two people who come thief your good.
I pray.
Police, they will write me letter. They will write the other lady letter.
Yes.
Start from case from there. If you don't pay me there, at the moment, if you don't pay me, now, government go help you, it will pay me. If I don't reach for your head, not coming power. If I don't get billions for your head, I should be accused now. Go to the station and write. What do you see they wait? Go there and say, you don't now, my Bible don't you say the Bible the way you talk and say Bible say hero. Okay now.
Really Bible.
Now me and you go to swear for the same place. Can't swear Bible me, you know you want to drag me. I don't go swear. So now you don't confirm and I say Bible say now me and this lady I go do Mama Melissa. Then is your right now, your duty now, go to the station now, go and tell them, say I don't confirm who thief my gold. See these people who thief my gold. The police go write down. They will say give you the rules to accuse me for waiting and not to kill me. They will write down. They will write letter. Come give me for house. Then case start. We start the court.
You know, I'm okay.
Your elder brother and your twin brother never see him. Yeah, your twin brother came here immediately. Because you drag me. You never know me. If I drag you now.
Any part near your book away. Here your book can of your siblings so your book can get. Iya your boy can jouer, your boy can jouer. Iya your boy can ra, your boy can rien. Any part near your boy can way. Ya can ya no ya feel they go to feel the vibe. Okay, because we are Otioni take balama. Oh Johnny take balama. Where don't you back baba? Yeah, Rabina Nenemi, or my way wo honey. Only I even know the time man, no, not damn you. I bet the cono. When you give any other time and no, not damn here. Lie the deck bolia. I want to go. You tell me, I tell you, as show me the name, my push it, you push me, I push you, you push me. If you knock me, I go knock you. If you kiss me, I go kiss you. My push it, begin in cyberspace. If you conk me, I conk you. Walking even a whole few and it's enough you will know what my coming. It was a conk is a conk. Hello.
How did they bring all your pictures? Bring those. If I said the dragon, and I go wrong. You understand? If I drag, they never tell you now. Your younger brother don't walk, you don't struggle. Come be deputy governor. You want to begin the disgrace him. If I follow you, disgrace your younger brother don't try. Pious. They never see your brother. I mean, I talk to him and say, what they do not good. The honorable deputy governor, he never shame. So if you talk now, no problem. Because if he talk to you now, you don't go here. You want Sagara. If I start media will carry on. Media will carry on because you start. See, you are very stupid. You are fully your younger brother. The deputy governor, they fool for media. How can this one say that he's senior, the deputy governor of Edo State? Deputy governor of Edo State, they fool. Can they drag from the fool? You say now go to the laws. Why you don't go? Go to the station, police station, go and tell them. Go swear anything. Person know you may not swear anything to where you want swear. Swear. Bring her come media. Never go work by say yo. You know God, you don't to swear. You know somebody hey Baba, tell me where you there. I know they look for you, they go. Now you they even look for me. I don't know when you just talk and say, I tell you where I do. I know this thing. You get my number now. You understand? You get my number. You get it. I don't.
No, Baba, Edmond feel now, maybe gospel no worry respect no, now, get those one January. Is it to this?
We will listen to this message. When get bass boost for there, and the way Atitite reply all this at this video. When Atiti sent